Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for remember. Remember means to set an element to the learning process. So any element that is not memorized, like dismissed elements, or pending elements, remember, the ones that are pale or sky blue. So in this case, now are just topics. So let's see this one, society as a concept network. I press Ctrl M and now this appears. I have to choose an interval. That is to remember. So regardless of the interval I will choose, or the date if I prefer, as soon as I click OK, now it's a memorized topic. Remember, memorized doesn't mean you remember that. Means it is taking part on the learning process. So this topic is no longer dismissed. And we can also know that from the repetition. The repetition history, it says it was dismissed. Not anymore. The memorize feature is for this purpose. Once not memorized, set it, remember it, and set it as memorized. So this is basically what set remember means. Sending something from the pending queue or dismissed to the priority queue, to the learning process. That's it. Usually this is meant for something that is pending or dismissed. But in Supermemo you have a lot of power, and what we'll see in the next video is what happens in the case that the element that you set remember is already memorized. Then the feature is slightly different, and there's a big surprise if you don't know what you're doing. See you in the next video.